My name is Russ Faulkner, and I'm your guide today as we delve into Lesson 1 of the Mortgage Training Program. This lesson consists of several modules that are designed between 5 and 10 minutes to allow you the opportunity to really dig into the areas where you think you need the most help. Now, Lesson 1 really focuses on the overview of the residential mortgage business. We first talk about mortgages, what they are, why they're important, and we then look at different property types that one could purchase using a mortgage. We're going to then delve into the market and focus on the market size and the scope of the business, and then delve into some key products and terminology that we focus on in the mortgage industry. Then we're going to take a look at several different mortgage types, from a residential purchase to a refinance to home equity and HELOC, and then construction loans. And then we're going to take some time to look at players in the industry so you can make sure that you understand truly what an originator does, what a processor does, what underwriters do, what appraisers do, what different government agencies are involved in the mortgage process, as well as title companies, servicers, bankers, investors, and real estate agents. Then we're going to take a look at the life cycle of the mortgage program. And we're going to unpackage that and look at it from the consumer point of view, where we can really delve into the consumer buying cycles. And then we're going to look at it from the financier's point of view. And we're going to include details in the buying cycles as well as originations, processing, underwriting, closing, reviews, different packaging things, and then in the back end, the workouts. And then we're going to take a step back and look at all of the people that are involved in the process, so the players in the process that we talked about just a minute ago, and we're going to really look at each one of those roles and talk about how does their contribution to the overall mortgage process work from a reward perspective. Otherwise, how do they get paid? And then also we're going to look at risk. We're going to look at company risk as well as credit risk within the organization and how organizations take risk when we look at the mortgage lending process. Then we're going to take some time to look at the evolution of the mortgage. And we're going to take a step back into history, really understand the history of mortgage, and understand about the regulations, both old and new, that regulate the mortgage industry. Then we're going to take some time to look at industry shocks and some of the things that have gone on in the past couple years that have really helped or hurt the industry move forward. And we're going to take a look at the state of the industry today. So I'm very excited for you to complete all of the modules in Lesson 1. So sit back, relax, and enjoy each one of the modules.